Good morning everyone and welcome to your English class. Today we are going to do the chapter from your grammar book and the chapter name is adjectives. In Hindi you can call it Visheshan. Okay, adjective is basically they are known as describing words. They describe noun or pronoun, or you can say they add meaning to a sentence. Okay, it describes noun or pronoun. Okay, we know describing words are called adjectives. This is very simple. Describing words are known as adjective. They describe, no? So that's why they are known as describing words. Adjective means added to. They are added to. Okay, they have been added to describe the meaning of noun or pronoun. Okay, they are also called. They are so called because they add something to the meaning of a noun. See, they add some meaning to the noun. Okay, if you want to describe a noun clearly, so they add a meaning to it. Okay, suppose for example, Rita is wearing a beautiful dress. Okay, so the word here beautiful is actually adjective. It is adding a meaning to the sentence that what kind of a dress is she wearing. She's wearing a beautiful dress. Okay, clear? So now we are going to read kinds of adjective. There are 5 kinds in your book that we are going to read of adjectives. The first one is adjective of quality. Okay, adjective of quality, it tells you the quality of noun. Okay, it will tell you what quality does that noun is having in a particular sentence. Okay, adjective of quantity and number. The quantity and number are different. Quantity you cannot count, number you can count. Okay, tell about the quantity or number of noun. How much is the quantity or how many is the number. Okay, it will tell you that. Demonstrative adjectives points out nouns. It points out noun. It demonstrates, it points out a particular noun in the sentence. Means it gives you a special effect on pointing out noun, that this is particular noun is this, what it is here or it is there, or it is pointing out to show the particular noun. Okay, interrogative adjective, it's very easy. It asks questions. Okay, it asks questions about noun. Where there is a question mark, it's an interrogative. Okay, because generally when we ask question we add a question mark, so for your identification it will become easy. Okay, so that is interrogative adjective. The next one is possessive adjectives. It shows the possession of noun. Possession means it shows that where particular noun is. Okay, it emphasizes on noun. Okay, it gives a possession of noun, means it emphasizes that okay, where is the noun or who does the noun belong to. So it gives you the possession of noun. Okay, so first today that we are going to do is adjective of quality. We will read the definition and a little bit of detail on adjective of quality. See, adjective of quality is Hamid was a great soldier. So Hamid was a soldier, we know, but what kind of a soldier he was? He was a great soldier. Okay, so here this word great, no, it is actually showing the quality of the soldier. Okay, that he was a great soldier. Mumbai is a big city. Mumbai is a city, we know, but what kind of a city it is? It is a big city. Understood? So here this word great and big, it's telling you the quality of noun. Okay, here Hamid and Mumbai is noun. Name of a person, name of a place. If you remember the definition of noun. So they are telling you the quality, how they are. This word great and big is telling you the quality. The word great is an adjective which tells what kind of soldier Hamid was. Okay, it's telling you the quality of the soldier Hamid. And the word big is an adjective which tells what kind of a city Mumbai is. Okay, it's telling you that what kind of a city Mumbai is, so it is a big city. Understood? Here, adjectives which tell us of what kind of person or thing is are called adjective of quality. It will tell you which tells us of what kind a person is or a thing is. Okay, so it comes under the adjective of quality. Since they describe a person or thing, they describe means वो बताते हैं किसी के बारे में कि वो इंसान, वो व्यक्ति कैसा है. Okay, because see, you have seen here in an example, it is describing Hamid soldier and Mumbai as a Mumbai city, how it is. Hamid is a great soldier and Mumbai is a big city. Okay, they are also called descriptive adjective. Descriptive means they are giving the description of noun in the sentence, means of a person or a thing. They are giving you a complete description. Okay, how that person is. It is describing about that person, that Ram is a honest man. Okay, so here it is describing about Ram. Okay, you can say that Bangalore is a beautiful city. So it is describing what kind of a city it is. It's a beautiful city. That's the description of that particular place. And honest man, so that's a description of a man, of Ram. Ram का description है, कैसा इंसान है वो, बहुत ही ईमानदार. Okay, so it is also known as descriptive adjective. It gives you the description. Understood? An adjective of quality, it basically gives you an answer of what kind of noun is, in what kind of a person is, or what kind of a thing is. कैसा है व्यक्ति या जगह या इंसान जो भी है. Okay, so it gives you a description of noun in a sentence. Okay, so this is what adjective of quality is. What kind of, it will give you what kind of. Okay, it will describe about a person or thing. Okay, so just go through this first kind of adjective and definition of adjective. The rest, the other kinds, we will do in the next video. If you have any questions regarding this, you can ask. Thank you.